Gasolo lo.
Yebo Khehla.
Uyacula mntana wami.
Mina hayi kangiculi.
Kodwa uli artist.
Ngili artist. Ngiku film and theater la ku poetry.
Right.
Ngibe sengingena nje la ku behind the scenes ikho konke ukuthi art uyangithola.
Uyizwile inkulumo yomntwana. Eka Black Diva. Embona ngathi trend ekakhulu. Esithethi nasibuye lapha sizoxoxa ngayo. Mfana sikhululeke, let's just talk. Kube mnandi sibe grind. Uyizwile inkulumo yomntwana.
Inkulumo ngiyizwile. Hayi ngizwe kahle. Njengoba uthi ukuthi kade trenda yonke indawo. Abantu bazondile, abanye bathabile, abanye banjani. Ilethe nje ama feelings amaningi achiyeneyo ebantwini.
Right.
Yeah.
Umntwana uthi ama artists, unfortunately makukhulunywa ngama artists kukhulunywa ngama musicians esikhathini esiningi. Nina nivalelwa ngaphandle. But it's okay. Ngoba ngibone makukhulunywa ngakho lokho abanye abantu mhlawumbe abakuma film or sithi ngama content creators ekholisa. Mhlawumbe kumele ukhambe kungene nakhona ngale kujajwe. Kungajajwa kuphela ama musicians. Wena uthi nanga umntwana uthi khona abantu bacula imboza.
Into ezibabayo.
Into ezingadlekiyo.
All right, enye into njengoba usuvele waqala ngama content creators. Mina ngihlala ngithi kule different between ama content creators lama artists. To me labana abantu kayisiwo ma artists.
Right.
Ngabantu nje abathola idatha abathola le platform yokuthi benze abakwenzayo. Sekusiba labantu nje abale data lokuthi belalele belandele. So
ngezindlela ngabanye bemboza. Akumele udiva abafake lapha.
Ya ngabanye bakhona. So iart
ama content creators lifuna ukwasebenzisa ngesikhathi senu. That's the problem.
Kanjani?
Khatheso Gasolo baye busy ngeKing Zilikazi. Content creators will be your favorite friends. So you are now attacking them because you don't want to use them at the moment.
I'm not attacking them.
No, you are. You are.
Kule difference part wabo lama artists.
But now you choose when to use them. That's the problem. You choose when to use the content.
All right. Fair, fine. Mhlambe vele siphume lapho Gasolo khona am defender.
Siphume maybe sizayibamba kwelinye ilanga.
All right. Ubusaqedelela Gasolo.
Hayi bengisafuna ukuthi mina ngokwami engabe khulume iqiniso kwezinye indawo kodwa indlela akufake ngayo le ndlela ngathi vele indlela akufake ngayo yona iyo esuke yaba wrong
kodwa kuliqiniso
hayi siloqiniso
hayi Gasolo uthi angabe khuluma iqiniso kwezinye indawo
ngikutsho ukuthi si industry nje silabantu abaningi abachiyeneyo phakathi kwe10 sungathola ukuthi ukhona oyi1 ongenzi kahle
kodwa bakhona bacula imboza ebona uBlack D
bakhona ngiyakuvuma ngithi bakhona
so nimlwiselana umntwana bakhona abanye abacula imboza
yena indlela akufake ngayo le ndlela asuke ase attack ngakhona ama legends ethu abantu abayibo abasikhulisileyo sinjenje
uMarumpinya
ovela wathi uMarumpinya all right njengoba mina bengisithi ukuthi mina ngiku film and theater kakhulu ngithi okwenza ngangena lapho mina ngikhule ngibukela amakhosi theater ngaze ngaba joina lami ngoba yibo abantu enthe ngikhula ngiqala ukuvula amehlo bese emehlweni nami besenza ama shows kubo Stanley Square McDonald sase primary nisiyababukela lami ngahle ngathi lami la engikhula khona mvele ngifuna ukwenza lokhu la kanye ngakuqala nisasemncane kuthi ukuthi lama legends on lawo awaqambayo laphana yibo abantu abasenze saba yilokho esiyikho khona namhlanje
but Gasolo ukuba ilegend does not mean ukuthi at your time ukuba ilegend yisikhathi abanye abantu babizwa legend because usehlela isikhathi eside saze sadlula isikhathi ukuthi uyilegend but it does not mean ukuthi akacula imboza Ngoba ilegend ecula imboza uyavuma kulo.
Hayi lokho ngiyakuvuma. But sibuyele kwaba aqambileyo.
Yeah.
Hayi mina ngiyibona imboza lapha.
O Marumbinya.
Hayi angiyibona imboza.
Marumbinya nobani?
Oh lo Skuza, uChelsea Skuza lo Solomon Skuza. Ubaqambe bobabili.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Otho Skuza.
Oskuza bobabili.
Bonke bacula right akekho ucula imboza lapho. Wayicula imboza.
Hayi bonke ba right.
Share my feelings outside.
Hayi
akekho wayicula imboza lapho.
Hayi bonke ba right. Mina ngithanda ukuthi iwork of art sengale amagig amaningi bembiza ukuthi ngizo adjudicate.
Right.
Mina kungehlule ngoba according to me iwork of art kayila formula ukuthi sesingathi lokhu ku right lokhu ku wrong kuya ngokuthi ngubani okwamukelayo.
Uyachiseka uSharon la. Uyachiseka. Yebo Sharon.
Hayi mina engakutsho anti mina ngicabanga ukuthi mina lapha mina ngicabanga ukuthi she felt to be like kuswelakele ubuntu nyana nje.
Okay.
Okokuthi umuntu kazihlisanga because nxa uyi artist kumele unanze there are people who have been there before you and nxa ufike izolo kumbe last year or 5 years back you have to respect those people abaveli bekhona whether bahlabela imboza. It's not like umuntu onku perfect. Yes bakhona maybe abangahlabeli kahle futhi I think like le language bengamelanga ukubeke the way akubeke ngakhona. This is why the whole thing is trending. Maybe aluba ukubeke in a better way and ekhuluma whatever she wanted to say imbono yalelwa but indlela esibeka ngakhona. So I feel like yena ukubeke in a way liyana eyenze wonke abantu bazonda and ontombi Marumbini and vele like it's not like yebo uqambe untombi Marumbini but nxa ungalalela ubeqamba wonke umuntu who has been there before.
Right.
Yabo and into angayinanzeleliyo ukuthi imusic iyatshintsha. Indlela abantu like khathesi ngese kule Afro pop uzathola vele yavelela kudala and yaqala ngawona lana ama legends but ngenye indlela yayi sound different yabo. So those people uzathola they guide us as artists, they guide us ukuthi sihlabele njani yabo. Kwesinye isikhathi futhi artist singachazwa indlela I legend ehlabela ngayo yabo then the artist egcina ehlabela that way and umuntu lwana le fan base yakhe yabo and wena nxa ukuthi umuzwa ehlabela idot whatever she said I think lokhana kuya ngawo ukuthi nobani ngoba lwana umuntu lama fans akhe. So mina I feel like hayi kuswela kalobuntu laphana.
Omunye umuntu angathi Godo siyathanda ukumbambatha iqiniso. Asikwazi ukutshela namaqiniso ubona umuntu ephuma offside uhlule kokumtshela iqiniso ukuthi hampi njami lapho uyalahleka la. What if uDiva she's not afraid ileze ophuma silwe uthi phuma ndoda esikweni uthe yena etshela umanayini wathi mina ngizakutshintsha ube ngumayinini ngibona bekhona umanayini ukuthi uzama kuba ngumayinini. So wena uthini ukuthi mhlawumbe uDiva because she's raw uyikhipha injalo thina siyasaba ukuyibeka mhlawumbe ngaleyo ndlela eyiyo yona. Bakhona abantu abacula imboza yini Godolude Mpofu.
Mina ngakusho kehle ukuthi wena uMadlela nguDr Gasolo nguGodolude.
Yebo Godolude
kule ndlela izinto ozibona ngakhona ozizwa ngakhona.
Right.
Angithi ngoba mina ngifuna ukunikeza example.
Right.
Ngoba mina ngithanda irumba.
Right.
Angithi ngithanda uSolomon Skuza.
Right.
Kima kunamboza uSolomon Skuza. Angithi ngoba wena uli 2K.
Right.
Uthanda idancehall whatsoever kwamanje whatsoever Afro pop enye into ehlukileyo kule ngisho mina angithi.
Right.
Then mawulalela irumba uzozimboza.
Right.
Angithi.
Right.
Mina engakusho ukuthi vele abantu silembono ehlukeneyo noma nasebholeni kunjalo khehla kunama teams amaningi kodwa wena ireason ukuthi why ungafavor iArsenal unayo.
Right.
Angithi maybe ungasho ukuthi kudlalelani ngizama ukuthini umuntu nomuntu unalapho azwa khona kahle unalapho athanda khona kodwa lokho akukunikezi imvumo noma amandla ukuthi ugxeke lapho ongathandi khona.
Right.
Angithi
Right.
Mina bengilandela nje u Black Diva angifuni ukuqamba amanga angifuni ukukhuluma ngiyamazi ngingamazi bengiqala nje ukuzwa lami sengilandela ukuthi mhlambe futhi yenye into ade ayifuna vele uBlack Diva ukuthi sibe mazi
Right.
ukuthi nje nyikinye nje bese sibuya sibuthana sithi kanti uBlack Diva uthini otherwise kodwa inkulumo yona ingasiyentsha
uyazi into enhluphayo zinjo godo sorry ukuthi makuthiwa kukhulunywa ngemboza ekhulunywa ngoBlack Diva
yebo
imikhonto iya erumbeni
yes iyo lento engicida ukuyichasisa kahle ukuthi ngoba mina I'm not into irumba vele kubantu berumba ngizozwa imboza
right
angithi ngoba mina ngithanda osibani bani
right
bazobe ngiyenzela kahle
right
the reason ukuthi yena uBlack Diva lo mculo okhethile yena ukuwenza or awudlalele angithi uyawuthanda yena uvele kuyenhlizweni yakhe angithi why manje sokumele agxeke abantu marumbini ngoba istyle sabo so style sakhe
right ukuphoja kahle
yeah ade ngingayinvitewanga so kodwa sengikuzwa into angikhona sokubila lapha yes into ewane engizaxolisa vele lokho
ngasazi ukuthi
yebo igama uCruise ngakomoyo I challenge enginayo lapha ngiyokuthi phose angiyali twayeni panel of judges umbeni sonke fine isiphose sibone okufana naye ukuthi kuthwe untombazana wrong
right
otherwise mina engakhala ngakho ukuthi let's not shoot the messenger
who's the messenger
phose indaba de ngoba lapha nxa sikhuluma ngayo untombazana wani then asikhulumeni ngayo or sikhuluma kufanele sehlukanisene sikhuluma ngontombazana bese sikhuluma ngemessage ade iqukethe
sikhuluma ngemessage
ngoba naye ngoba if wathu athaki
sizomfonela
ubunguye bakhe yazi ukuthi challenge bakuphi kuyagcina overshadow inkulumo ayiyo day later not that I'm defending her mind you I challenge enginayo ngiyokuthi khona yena lapha engibona phambanise khona lapha ngizwa lisithi uqambe untombi marumbini what so forth ade ngisekhaya the ngifika lami uthola ku but ngabe I was forced ukuthi lami backtrack ngibuyele emuva ngiyobona ukuthi sikhipha so I challenge ekhona ngiyokuthi uqambe abantu as points of reference uthe isplash mind you ade khuluma ngokhanyi Ndlovu golden queen
she never mentioned
she never but that's where she was going uthe ntombi marumbini in reference of Ufo Judawo asikhulume iqiniso in reference of Ufo Judawo
hayi lokho senizifakile
hayi
lokho senizifakile
lokho khanya
umntwana abangazange athamba amagama
uyabona ukuthi enye problem elapha we are in times of Facebook lives monetization and everything so we might be seated here debate ngalokho kanti ngabantu abazidingela imali ku Facebook
okay
yabo batholi I-content and lina libe I-content lani lahle langena e-filling station right langena ngeheart selihla yena labantu akade batargeted and abantu abatargetile some of them replied nxa la ukukhanyela ku Facebook
ngifuna ukubuyela kumoyo ukuthi moyo wena ukuthatha ngapha ukuthi utargetela abantu
ngama artists ngisebenza nabo every day umqondo yabo ukuthi bacabanga kanjani
ngiyawazi uFo Dangwezi isintombi marumbinya
yes no but uchaya ispansula so sintombi marumbini no have to put it straight uchaya ispansula
so ipoint ka Diva ithi khona why usenza ispansula when the time is gone
who says that isikhathi kufanele kuchaye this kufike lapha
asikhuluma iqiniso
but zwana I-challenge ekhona kehle yazi ukuthi kuphi yena lo umuntu ade mfaka into point of reference how many years eyibambile eCholojo how many years uFojo yes then sibuye yes not eCholojo per se but I'm just putting it as ilozeni okay fine ngiyaxolisa kuloko but ilizwe likhulu sibe sesibuya kukhanya golden lo what now uyakwazi ukuthi into eyi1 engangikhala ngayo ngokhanya ukuthi uDan Chanda failed to endorse iproduct liyana
unfortunately
angphumi ku topic but anyway
unfortunately babazana
yes
usumemeze amagama abantu
good
but sesikhuluma iqiniso mina ngumuntu othanda iqiniso mawungaphuma phandle uma emgwaqweni uthi khona bangaka abantu abamaziyo
abayazi ubani
uFortune
kobulawayo kobulawayo phela mind you bekwazi ukuthi island eZimbabwe ibulawayo sesingaqala inye topic singakaqede yini mina ngikhuluma Khadesi nangu umuntu ngamtshela no ngubunikeze na ngubunikeze ama statistics ukhuluma ngabantu ade bakhandela ama CD I have their numbers in terms of sales so the next thing I don't care ukuthi kwakhona ukuthi kayaziwa kobulawayo sokuthiwa akadingi validation ukuthi ayazakale kobulawayo ibulawayo siyo rule kumeasure popularity
moyo lo lalela
yes sir
Black Diva uthi because of the style that you do
good
you are not going to get into the hearts of the people
who are those people
style sakona is gone
says who
nguye phela umntwana utsho njani
akusenkulunkulu womculo
uyachiseka kodwa
manje libambe imlomo la ngathi selihambe kakhulu
yebo
uthe yena uzocorrecta inkulumo ethi yona asisupport abantu bakithi
yebo
angithi into ayishileyo
utsho njani
uthe uzocorrecta yena
right
ngenxa yani siqamba amanga ezama artists master supporta ngoba yena usupportiwe she's got everything manje uBlack Diva everything usupportive ule la khona una yonke into angizi ngithini uBlack Diva una yonke into as an artist esupport abantu base sintwini abakamthwakazo ngisho kanjalo we understand so inkulumo yakhe ithi yena thina amanye ama artists mina ukuthi angifuni ukusenza amagama but umaye mention lapha uthi ubelale interview or something angithi wezwa lokuhlatshelwa ukhalwa ngesame song ukuthi ama artists bathi bona esindebeleni asisupportwa enough yi topic le into esiphezwa
ngoba kunkulumo yakhe iphakamisa ingoma eyi1 ekuthiwa khona iculwe yaba imboza ekasamanko iyo yodwa sengizwile itrend
right
kuthiwa khona iyo imboza
okay
iyo imboza but ke godo umbuzo wami uthi khona nina as ama artists nithini ngabantu bakini bayanisupporta yini ningahambambathi madoda khulumani iqiniso
abantu bakithi basupporta ndo
as ama artist uyazini ngifuna ukubisela emuva kancane
yebo okay
kulenye indoda eke yakhipha la enye into etrend lencane uthe so wena uyavuka ekseni ubhala ingoma zakho eziwu7 uqonde e-studio ufika ubhadala imali yakho uyecula ujike futhi uzokhala abantu aza abantu abasupport kathi indaba ungayekeli
regazi wakho
uyazwisisa wathi indaba ungayekeli so khehla usho ukuthi mina ngabe noke ngiphosa into iwuka one down bonke ahambambi lutho angeke ngithi but iqiniso ukuthi abantu abakazi bethi asisupportwa bathi maybe mhlambe akukho enough ngifuna ukubuza imibuzo wani khehla mhlambe ngibuyele emuva maybe ngibe sengilahlekile kunengoma yakhe uBlack Diva le yengani ethini ufaka uMajayivana ngithi
Majayivana
yena nje sokwaxoxa noMajayivana wambuza ukuthi uMajayivana azayeke nje umculo kwaku10 ngicela nje ukuthi yena uBlack Diva ngikhuluma ukuthi yena uMajayivana obani umuntu ebesibheke kuye almost sonke uMathebeleleni bayibambile wayekelana uMajayivana ngicela engiphendule khona
so wayekelana isupport so ba supporter aba support kuni answer straight answer
obvious
ba support but it's not enough uyasaba mtalo wami
I know aba support is not enough angeke sidaba support at all because khehla mangizothi aba support at all angithi ngizobe sengiqamba manga ngiyabe sengiqamba ngoba siyaphila ngiyaphila
support but it's not enough
exactly
you go to okutsho
that's the thing very sure ma artist it's not enough
do you think sorry sengidlula kuwe
yes.
Do you think likhona iartist le rumba
yes
ngoba userumbeni
yebo
elingathi $10 liyethatha abantu libagcwalise eamphitheater kumbe city hall at a capacity of 2000 ngiphendule ngomoya weqiniso mana mona
no
alikho but uWinky D comes here
yes
athi $10 uJapreza comes here athi $10 uScott Mapuma comes here athi $10
hayi khuluma khehla khuluma na yeah khuluma na
so what does that mean? Are you guys getting the support? Why can't people spend $10 on you? And why do people spend $10 on Scott and not on you?
artist lo ndoda
hayi ngicela ukuphendula
avela uzazigwenxa
othi Sharon aphendule kuqala Sharon mana wena anti uphuma silwe mana
hayi ngiyakwazi ukuthi umbuzo lo mbona nunzima anti kufana lokuthi mina let's say ngiyathengisa anti
yes
abantu nxa bengabuyi ukuzonithengela ngiyathi why bengathengi kodwa next door bethenga
yes
yabo kuba nzima konke yana ukuphendula khona kuyana
so isupport ikhona kini ube leqiniso
isupport anti ngeke sithi khona 100% is there fairly nje ikhona
why I've been to shows zama local artists isikakhulu wena from urban music are you guys really getting laba ogodo singathi bangcono but nini nenze urban music ngiyayithola really support asiweni seqinisweni
no not kakhulu
anithola ngeke abantu babhadale $10 ukuthi sizobona ama urban musicians
yeah not really
do you know ukuthi bengise ku show yeBulawayo Arts Festival kunama urban musicians all the male urban musicians the top ones bongena abantu second day first day the Mbokotos bongena abantu the only show that had people 2 shows for free khuluma for free godo nani benikhona niyenza for free lapha eyenu nembube kasolo ungakabuyeli kumoya
isupport yona iyahlukana ngendlela eziningi omunye umuntu sengathi mina ngithola isupport 100% omunye umuntu ethi kangitholi omunye ethi ngiyathola kodwa inlutshwana bese ngikhangela mina njengomuntu osebenza kakhulu labaculi lama actors nje bonke abantu bakithi into eshotayo okuningi i-exposure ebantwini lemsakazo eminye esithi national ingasabalile eyethu lapha local esithi national i-content yethu yabantu bakithi kayikho kuyadlalwa 2-3 kudlalwe ngaki so abantu ungabiza abantu uthi ubani ugodo uyabe khona but ngenxa yokuthi abakaze bemuzwe ku radio kuyahamba 3 abamaziyo kodwa ungathi ubani ovele South Africa uyabe khona bamuzwa every day ku radio bafisa ukuthi umuntu lwana simbone so bazagcwala khona pha
kasolo ngikutshe nombuzo ikhona iexposure edlula these days i-social media
i-social media yayi ihamba phambili but iliyana i-traditional lokhuzeni isabambile ungahamba kathesi kithi eGwande emakhaya balutshwana bangenayo ku social media
nokusikota babuye
but
nakusikoti khohlwa
hayi labo ngiyatsho ukuthi ungafaka abantu laba
because of isikhathi
ngicela ukulokhuza abantu bona laba that day esitholo nchayisane lo mfana obevele eGwanda ezobona ishow le yerumba kuBulawayo lokhuzeni ukuthi uyizwe njani ube lande yona kuphela koBulawayo
kodwa yena lo muntu ngathi bhadala $10 for the same show you won't
kalayo enye into kulomunye umuntu oke wathi abantu bakithi enye into ebabulalayo sifuna ukucompare le support esiyizwa maybe kubo Harare kuthiwa kule Impinga thina kithi ngapha esindebeleni kasilabo laba abantu abanjalo
kutsho bani kaso lapho abekho abantu abalemali kwesizwe sakithi
ayinxa silabo ukuthi uthi bazifihla ukuda uke wakhuluma ngokuthi sunu siyabe senza
into eyi-1 khehla uyazi ukuthi kwini i-platform yakho le incane in terms of isikhathi kuphela yikho engakuphawulela kitsho so but ngoba ama-topic uyabona ukuthi a-complex angenelana ngendlela eziningi ezehlukileyo nxa sisithi wena abantu isupport izimota zinje zingaki emgwaqweni zihamba zingama-2 kulabo 2 liters kulabo what liters uyabona so futhi kwakhona ethwala nge-2 liters angeke expect ukuthi ingene i-20 liters so then we can't expect ukuthi uGodolude athole same amount ye support njengo Winky D ole exposure enkulu ngodaba ukwakhona kunengi okuyabe ku behind him so ukuthi wena uthi kurumba kungaba le show ye $10 ngiyamphikisa we have never tried that not that it's impossible kuyayenzakala asikaze sikuzama
uvalo lungawa iningazama
besingazithembi I can safely talk on everyone's behalf ukurumba bangangigxeka nandaba
mani ngasithemba ukuthi asizithemba ukuthi singabadonsa labantu nge$10
ngoba I once proposed yazi mina ngangipropose uyasiyenya zwana ukuthi mina ngangitheni mina ngangithiya khona sorry vele ngizabaqamba bengu2 ngoba ngangikhuluma labo personal ngangikhuluma lo Martin ngikhuluma lo Mlambosi ngisithi abayenze ishow that's 3 or 4 years back I launch a charge $500 per muntu
uyamhlupha
no alright sizakhuluma elinye ilanga but asingabaleki ku topic okay intete labanye
hayi khehla
ngicela ukuphendula umoya before udlule uMartin had a show launcha ukonke sizokulungisa mana moya wait konke siza kulungisa
yes
amphitheater benkhona
ngicela ungaqhubeki khehla ngicela ubuze andi singephezulu kwento esiphezukwayo ngifuna ukubuza umbuzo ongaqhubeki uMartin ucela imboza
akacula imboza but ke umbuzo uthi khona yethe show amphitheater launcha ukonke sizokulungisa babe ngekho abantu abazide sasithela izitulo
you are correct
why is that
khathesi ngithe singazithembi as a rumba fraternity no get me right zwana khathesi le ibuff irumba lana mistake esiyenzileyo was the venue mind you
venue njani
ikwapani City World Cup akade kungafanelanga sibe lapha the nearest that defines be khona City White City elokishini silanda abantu bakithi
niphatalise
whatever sasizakwenza kodwa sengikhuluma venue wise no ngifuna ukulethela lapha ukhuluma ukuthi ngendaba kaMartin okay fine asikhulume ngelokuzeni mina ngutshela ngalokho esikwenzakele uMartin ichallenge ekhona sibangake sisuke elokishini sijumpe itown siye ngangale kwayo
moyo
sizaxoxa elinye ilanga
right mina ngitheni kuwe khehla ngithe mina I-support is there but it's not enough there is nothing ethi yona sicula imboza sonke eyenza ukuthi abantu bengabuyi ngendlela nakube ngakhona
so abantu can do better
abantu can always do better yeah ande sikhuluma ngoBlackTV ozo correcta into angekaza ayicorrect abuye lento entsha phela uBlackTV uze nento entsha mina into engifuna ngiyenzele yona ukuthi asivezele ukuthi okay mina ngiyoBlackTV engacula imboza cause yena akacula imboza ngithi ngoba yena usupportiwe abantu abangasupportwayo lapha ngabacula imboza angithi yena akacula imboza cause isupport uyitholile angithi usho njalo siyavumelana khehla vuma nkuzi
hayi mina ngivuma konke
right so into engisho mina la ukuthi njoba yena ethi yena isupport uyitholile mina ngithenga ngihamba ngiyangacheka khona enye ishow yakhe engangayibona
right
amajive kudala yena la othi wona hayi mina ngizokhuluma iqiniso ngizofuna nama ngathi akazothi amajive kudala nothi ayirumba mina mangibhekile into yake yajive nguYvonne Chaka ngiyayibona uyandenza into yakudala la le ngoma angene ngayo kamajive umuntu wakudala but still yena sasitshela ukuthi thina senza istyle sakudala kufanele sibuye lento ezintsha whatsoever
I think lami into ade mfuna ukukhuluma naleyo ukuthi uBlack Diva yebo ukukhulume kubi and about ama artists uthi ahlabela imboza wakhuluma ukuthi they are still ku old school and but if you listen to your music it's not international like is in current things like ukuthi all right ungayithola ingoma yakhe maybe kwenye channel and stuff and but the thing is mbona ngani yena la lokho ulobu ukuhlabela khona ule ngoma yakhe I think
ukuthi lokucholojo ngoba
ule ngoma yakhe I think umbuhlabela njengothi ngibani uLove Moma uLove Moma Jive ngani uthatha ama lyrics angikhona futhi uyasebenzisa but now ukuthi uyazicontradicta yena yabo uyakhuluma into kodwa la eyenza
alright so wena uthini ngesupport be honest
hayi isupport mina yenza kutsho ukuthi ngizacela ukuthi sibe sisupport enough
it's not enough just like ugodo na uthi
hayi abasupport esibini
Kasolo
ngikhumbula umdala wami ngama last days akhe emhlabeni uKhonti Mhlanga
right
sike sathi sixoxa wathi kimi I-social media iyakukhohlisa wena ungathi usuka lapha ngangisiyamtshela ngiqala ukuthi sengiza yenza iDr Kasolo lo ngokuthi success lapha noma ehambe ngakayibona wathi I-social media iyakukhohlisa wena sungayenza ishow ufake eamphitheater emakhosi laphana kubuye abantu abangu10 wathi abantu labana abangu10 abazabuya kwishow yakho after show liqhawulane lixoxe they are far much better than abantu abayi 10,000 abazafaka like ku social media. So mbona ngani uBlack Diva laye isupport angabe ibona maybe ngabona social media ngiyabona uyaposta something ukuthi uthole 7 million views. So lokhana kuyakukhohlisa njenge artist i-audience i-live njengomculo wake room ukuthi i-live yani into mina mbonani yiyo okumele ukuthi ngasimesha ngayo i-success nothi le i-social media yomuntu ongamaziyo lami sengasebenzisa amalokuzena abangu-10.
Alright, kodwa Kasolo mina bengizothanda ukuthi Kasolo uBlack Diva uthe siqamba amanga masi isupporta yikho yena useyitholile uthi uzikhuluma ngento ayiphetheyo angisho njalo exactly. So yinto esingayo uthe ama artists amayenza ama interview stop saying I support because mina ngisupportile ngoba angiculi imbola lena siyekela ukucula imbola ngicula into right yiko bengibuza
asesize kahle ukuthi
I'm on Instagram posting what I like it. I'm on Facebook doing what I like it. I'm on Instagram posting what I like it. I'm on Facebook doing what I like it. Follow me, follow me, follow me,
that's okay.
You gotta follow me, follow me, follow me, follow. You gotta follow me, follow me, follow me, follow. You gotta follow me, follow me, follow me, follow.